It's the greatest lie in manufacturing, the idea that more is always better. Look at this floor. Thousands of parts, thousands of dollars just sitting here. This is overproduction, the mother of all wastes. Every part made before it's needed is a burden. It clutters your space, stalls your flow, and hides the very problems you need to solve. It's a silent weight that most companies carry until they break. Overproduction is simple, making more than the customer wants, or making it faster than the next person can use it. It is the waste of just in case instead of just in time. I once worked with a supplier who ran their machines for a month straight to save on setup costs. By the time they finished, the customer had changed the design, 50,000 units straight to the scrap bin, a month of life wasted. Most managers only see the unit cost, but look at the data. When you factor in the cost of space, the cost of handling, and the cost of capital, that cheap batch becomes the most expensive mistake you've ever made. We call it the shield of inventory. Overproduction hides your real problems. As long as you have piles of parts, you don't have to fix your machines or your processes. You just keep hiding the truth. Or take the bottleneck trap. If you run your fastest machine at full speed while the next station is slow, you aren't being efficient. You're just creating a pile. Efficiency is balance, not speed. Cash is the lifeblood of your business. Every overproduced part is cash that could have been used for innovation, for marketing, or for profit. Instead, it's locked in a box, doing nothing. And that drain is constant. And then there's the risk of obsolescence. In today's market, things change fast. If you overproduce, you're gambling that your customer won't change their mind. It's a bet most companies eventually lose. Here's the nightmare scenario. You find a defect in one part, but because you've overproduced, you have 5,000 more, just like it waiting in line. Now, instead of a small fix, you have a massive crisis and no way out. But there is a better way, the lean way. Producing only what the customer wants, exactly when they want it. It's called pull, and it's how world-class organizations achieve impossible levels of profit and speed. When you stop overproducing, your lead times drop, your floor clears, and your profit is finally free to grow. You move from surviving to thriving. You move from busy to truly effective. So look at your floor today. Is it a warehouse or is it a factory? The mother of all wastes is waiting to be eliminated. The question is, are you ready to see it? And are you ready to fix it? Don't let waste steal your future. Follow Six Sigma. With Omar on all platforms for the strategies used by global manufacturing leaders. Join our mission to eliminate Muda and build excellence together. You've seen the danger of overproduction, but there is a second enemy that is just as deadly: waiting. And in our next episode, I'll show you why doing nothing is the most expensive thing your company does. See you then.